Now I'm going to ask Maeve Mulvany to come up here and give me a hand. Maeve, come on. Thank you very much. This next one is about a house of ill repute we had in Ireland. Well, that's what my mother would say, but Betty McGowan or John Masterson might say it's a house of pleasure. Anyway, it's called The Holy Ground. And if you feel like shouting, fine girl you are, please shout. Fine girl you are!
Fare thee well, my lovely Dinah, 1,000 times adieu. We are sailing away from the holy ground, and the girls we all love true. We will sail the salt sea over, and we'll return for sure to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more.
Fine girl you are!
You're the girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more.